Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Jenny Smile. Thank you all for clicking. Thank you for stopping by today. So I want to quickly thank my old and new subscribers. Like, you guys are amazing. Thank you for the love you guys have been showing me. I appreciate. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieved this look. So if you want to know and see the way I achieved this look, like, sit down and enjoy the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free already. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that yeah, you've got the solution to make your own hair. Okay, so let's go. So yes guys, the first thing I did was to cut the part I was looking for. Though the part was not straight, you don't need to get a straight part because you are actually taking it backward. So yeah, that is what I did, and I combed the hair. I did everything as shown on this video. I will just allow you guys to watch the video and tell me what you think. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, enjoy the video.
Like a blazing flare, just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world. You meant the world to me.
thank you so much guys for watching that very video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yes, leave a comment below and tell me what you think about this new look. See you all on my next one. Bye.